The Ohio State Bar Association's Commission on Judicial Candidates. Can you give us a little summary of what that commission is or does?
Certainly. The Commission on Judicial Candidates is a 25-member panel that meets in connection with the Ohio Supreme Court races, and it is made up of lawyers from across the state. We have lawyers spread out demographically by practice area, and we basically cover a really excellent cross-section of lawyers throughout the state of Ohio, and we meet to rate the Supreme Court candidates every year. We do that to fulfill our obligation as lawyers, to assist in the election of judges, to help the public, to know what the judges are all about, and basically to serve as a public resource that members of the public can be better informed about the folks that are running for judicial office.
So, 8 areas that the panel looked at when looking at the candidates. Can you explain a little bit about what the panel used to evaluate?
They are legal knowledge and ability, professional experience, judicial competence, integrity, diligence, health, personal responsibility, and public and community service. Those are the 8 areas, and the Commission attempts to evaluate the candidates on each of those 8 areas. We ask the candidates to provide information to us, and then we also meet with each of the candidates, and the Commission has the opportunity to ask questions in each of those areas. So we do our best to get a sense of the overall abilities, expertise, and what we think, in our experience, would make an excellent Supreme Court justice.
Why do these types of evaluations? What are you hoping that either the OSBA membership or the public in general will be able to do with this type of information?
What we're not doing is endorsing candidates, and we're not trying to compare one candidate against the other. What we are hoping to do is utilize our experience, our expertise as practicing lawyers across the state to be able to assist the public to make their decisions about who to vote for. And we hope by giving these ratings, the ratings are completely nonpartisan and completely independent, we hope by giving these ratings, the public and our members will have a better understanding of how lawyers across the state view each of these candidates, and will understand through looking at our ratings perhaps what one candidate has to offer versus what another candidate has to offer.
For candidates that are in contested races, what type of ratings did the panel come up with this year?
Yeah, there are 4 possible ratings. And starting from the lowest rating, we have not recommended, and as it sounds, that is a determination by the Commission that the candidate is not qualified to serve as a Supreme Court justice. The next rating is adequate, and what that means is that the candidate is qualified in the opinion of the Commission as a whole to serve at the minimum level acceptable for a Supreme Court justice in this state. The next level is recommended. What recommended means is that the Commission has determined that the candidate is qualified to serve as a Supreme Court justice, and the Commission is completely happy with recommending that candidate as a potential justice. The highest level that we have is highly recommended, and just as it sounds, what that means is that the Commission has determined that the candidate is capable of serving at the highest level for a Supreme Court justice in this state. So our ratings this year, and I'll start with Chief Justice Eric Brown. The rating given to Chief Justice Brown is recommended. The rating that the Commission gave to Justice Judith Lanzinger is highly recommended. The rating that the Commission gave to Justice Maureen O'Connor is highly recommended. And the rating that the Commission gave to Judge Mary Jane Trapp is highly recommended.